Help me. Right now. I'm talking to you, but I'm not using my voice. If you understood that flickering light, you'd know I'm screaming for help. Just kidding, I'm fine. But in 1966, Jeremiah Denton, a U.S. prisoner of war, blinked his eyes in that exact pattern during a televised interview. His captors thought he had a nervous tic. The world realized he was spelling out Torture. Welcome to the world of Morse code. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to download a 180-year-old binary language directly into your brain. We're going to cover the secret history of a broken heart that started it all, the rhythm of dots and dashes, and a trick to memorize the whole alphabet before this video ends. Ever wondered why we use SOS? Does it actually stand for Save Our Souls? Spoiler, no. Stick around and let's find out. Morse code wasn't invented because someone wanted to be fancy. It was born from a tragedy. In 1825, Samuel Morse was away from home when he received a letter saying his wife was ill. By the time he traveled back, she was already there. Heartbroken, he obsessed over one question. How can we communicate faster than a horse can gallop? He teamed up with Alfred Vail and created a system of dits, that's the dots, and das, the dashes. A dit is the short signal. A da is 3 times longer than a dit. It's basically the great-great-grandfather of the text message. Except back then, you couldn't just send a "you up" ghost emoji. You had to physically tap out every single letter. Okay, let's get technical, but keep it simple. If you try to memorize dots and dashes as a list, your brain will melt. Instead, listen to the rhythm. Look at this chart. This is the DNA of long-distance talking. Here is every letter. Whoa, that looks like a lot of dots, right? Let's break it down with some logic hacks. First, the opposites. E is just one dit. It's the most common letter. And third, the S and O. S is 3 shorts. O is 3 longs. Put them together, SOS. Quick question. If SOS doesn't mean save our souls, what does it mean? I'll tell you in 2 minutes. You might be thinking, Stickman, we have 5G and fiber optics. Why learn this? Because Morse code is the only language that can be communicated through anything. Light, sound, even touch. Fun fact, did you know the old Nokia SMS tone? Beep, 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 beep. That was actually Morse code for SMS. Mind blown. So what does SOS stand for? Nothing. It was chosen because it's a unique, unmistakable rhythmic pattern that even a tired radio operator in a storm couldn't misinterpret. Let's try a quick test. I'm going to tap something out. Listen closely. That spells CQ. In the world of ham radio, that means seeking. If you found this even 1% useful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that you're becoming a secret agent. For your homework, try to spell your name in the comments using dots and dashes. I'll be replying to the ones who get it right. Check out the other videos on the screen. But before you go, what should we learn in 10 minutes next time?